The ECG is on 225%. In distribution service charge.
Yes.
Nipa bibrintiasia. Ebisu adwunyom na.
Okay.
Say 225% there. Sabe nya better.
Okay.
The important.
Enra ko afibia no.
Ebusia ende dum so ntimo fa nche mo wai kuse misrem. ECG for misrem bi wo mi de mi dwuma mi ntiasia o. And ECG for me show you nipa so mo per 225% increment. Oh, service charges now. $225. It was avona uni na extra wom. Enya enu kwa anu no. Kire say asem no komu a udi ni na bu ma bebe 800%. Esi 800% e to de bi mu nti ase. Mami ya analysis we kire. Say wo to ade bi 1 million. I see the 800% increment abeka wa. Kire say in the end no obetu abe 9 million. From 1 million no who call 9 million. Now only me be so aye 800 million we. Kire say Ghana gas for so omuso omu de omu increment iko. I say 225% no. Ghana water omu de eko. Ghana GNPC omu de eko. Eti udi omu nyina kamboma. Ebru 800%. Na ebusanfo utie insema expert no kano. Aye kojopoku. Sometimes no crowd no say NDC for they have to thank God for people like Kojopoku and Co. Safuamua omu MPP mu. Say SMB ba say no mu fanye politics. Because and can SMB say that can put media politics pa because mu mama. Any NDC for na muka say exchange rate in electricity bonu kosro. Enye sa. Enti pan say na ne mu say exchange rate na ba form na we na say ni say e pan say na ne de. You have to almost 800% increment. From October honum no. Ombe we bibia e October mu. From October honum. Ya hwe ya. Ya betu electricity bomu echen ebru na ewo ho. Enya easy obuzianfo. Enya easy. Na wenyi na akoso no. O mampini kasa wo. Kala no tum. On say de, on ka de. Abronye ena omudi police for odi nichi tebusanfo ene ewo kokoroko show no so echema general show no ena explanations no ebaye we dey a very thorough explanation one person oti ase bia no video no na happiness pacho tie na tie ase but all in all no dey ni politics so dey be ni pa because NDC force the politics and Tiaba say there yes, we bear politics, but we're there for untiasianity to see the danger ahead and how much Ghanaians might be paying. Listen to this video.
Every 4 years, there's something called a major review of tariffs.
Okay.
Oshe omo boy yinyina mahodin wo kroni mu from value chain no Netco, ECG, Ghana Gas, GNPC. Omo yen gridco, omo yen juma e ma yen nyina mahodin every 4 years bia no PULC omo said yes also omo gi proposals free omo nyina ho.
Okay.
Share price a ye de ma wo mo. On say o share de wo minu mienu ye tua no electricity na ye wo mienu.
Okay.
Your dear friend no energy charge, and your dear friend no distribution service charge.
Okay.
Distribution service charge no dear nipa na ode kanea na ebrewo no de ono ojewo ede na adwuma.
Okay.
Na energy charge ne ko de ono a enyinama hoden ne ho. Enti o hwe generation companies na omunya energy charge no.
Omunya chese IPPs.
IPPs no, yes.
Okay.
Omunya the energy charge. Na distribution service charge which we call the DSC. Distribution service charge.
And
ECG ne Netco for ne ho.
ECG and Netco.
ECG okay. Netco.
Because Netco there is
no distribution. Then no the day in Yamaha de bro.
Okay.
Now and no and at the last 4 years review I no. Say ECG more 19 pesos. 19. The last 19 pesos per kilowatt hour. The last review. And I move on now. No, I think PULC a review. No, so about 17.
Okay.
Pesos per kilowatt hour. Now Afibiano Kwame, 224, 225. No, that's what they request every 4 years. every 4 years be on request it o share a year online records are the last review I at least I say the no ayɛkɔ no and no don't propose by yen civil society for PRs invite yen Emma all the civil society and the stakeholders near kokutie or masem Oma your presentation, omo the request, omo abusi, omo ebisade atuja. Said the prof okay, ebisade wo abusi nyame anu ahado. 225 no mo hanyame. But eno nkyere se ombenya. Based on a lot of factors. Into PRC
and also nkyere se omunya bibi a.
Omenya bibi, nya di omenya bibi. Every 4 years biano those
but no. Okay. Also every 4 years we are only 225 viva.
The something similar. Around something huge bibi tisa.
And I am far more.
Debbie.
Ain't you know
whether they are more. Almost per 61. They say near more 17 pesos. Almost almost free 17 pesos to 61 pesos. It's not possible.
But let's just say on my own
yes.
I know who say some of my SARS Kaya and nay between the Ayajuma.
Okay.
Na yenso afibiano yenfa mom enti bro Rebecca abin issue fiti from the get go ya adwin say enya de adwuma be
there be adwuma be be say no enti na ya wo mitigating factors talk asem ya wo mitigating for nyoma obetumi de ato akwam enra no meeting na se no ya mu bi kasai e ka say assembly I don't know a bit technical kakra assembly 2017 na DSC no distribution service no na one there was no DSC1 and DSC2.
Okay.
2017, any change we and DSC1, DSC2. Some of us, press conference, I think mainly Dr. Manteya, Mone, Kofi Benton, a press conference 2022. I can say PLC and can't say DSC1 and DSC2 nimbum, no more some farmer ECG. And no NC. And they know still I in C. And I think say ya catch the PLC for Omian Sensin Kunya. Na yan share at the contra. Oma chesa DS nim no asama busa na no crep oma ka say ni hia e dia ye adwuma e bitumi aye but eya na impempi no untumi embedding Ghana for because Kwame social no commercial losses over ECG is over 30%.
Okay.
Commercial losses is just obi NG electricity and no include illegal connection, non-payment of bills, conniving with customers. Ubi AYɛKa share what district in the region hono said the bear ubi nchane bill. Ni no commercial loss is about 30%.
Okay.
Ube to me the share atwa kwemu reducing it by 10% to cry. It's a huge amount of money abeko ECG for
commercial losses.
Commercial losses. No technical losses need there's about 10%, about 11%. And no they need investment to change the best machines nibi. And no there also buying the Pekwan who is the largest investor no Pekwan to pay investment. You know to say government in so what is called the private sector participation. And no is ongoing now more per transaction advisor. And Tianum Bifu say for now PLC for no or more better yes in Kunya jom them womo. But Ubia Buntoni yem I don't think say ECG anybody will get anywhere because Omunkwan epe 225%, you know.
Okay.
GNPC 4 PB. Ghana Gas for so PB, Gridco for so PB, and to can be the all people more. You're looking about 800%, which is not possible. And PLC will find a way to accommodate everybody. And I think that finally, somewhere next month, October, and then the PLC will announce. There's going to be increase of electricity. That one there, let's not, but it wouldn't be in the magnitudes of the
October ending,
November, yes.
By all means, electricity because
definitely because every 4 years that review is done.
Wow. Anyway, me that's an interest.
No more penal. 4 years old. Yeah, some major tariff review every 4 years. And to both say PLC for be more decision no no kofikisim. Efficacy na politics ni wo. O meka say there be yempene. And nam say kwa abontin ama temamufo amanfo be brenti no yempene na watiso meanwhile wo na wo majority shareholder wo fikisim no uni plans bia udi sika bishim aye niye me pancho tiase enti na how no potakasem no we are pushing the can down the line enti enunti na afibia because look say yetumi obetumi ye bold now there's something called realistic tariffs. that point in it we do what but it's difficult to also get realistic tariff because realistic tariff means tariffs having to go up by a certain percentage which who say salaries no because the be make say government no on one employee will be into Jeffrey Bunkuma Konifa so otumu pe TUC for ni labor force because any yes you sika ekofom me this year nkwan o the one city account petrol ho eno yenka obi anka ho asem no asan ba electricity next year no negotiation with TUC they will now make the way you be shame say now you way into the day first yes can be can that is where the politics come into be no ebeko fikesi no fikesi for because masa da bi we dey esra dwobre yenye ni sei na yen enu tire ya na de bia no na problem no wo ho no
amen
minia
watching
I like that. I see watching
about the kind of family menene ya adwen say any be a problem of the day na ya ka ho she say once minia buy or ka say or can the union sector but why very frank obi nso we bia me bia me free by onim de me nu kan but e could do the politics of it to say the okay no ye ntene ye ho nye de wo se ye ena baby ye dru no ena gina nkasa wo mo amokusua mo ya de because na de da bia masua mu gususua bi kan so problem no da bia economy
iskase ena okase iskase
on say na anu ada ye baba mu atwi ni tika kra bi e to da fro radio so kra ntimi ye interview no
because mo de ya manyo sem
Sen na making. Ada kwa me nkroma frame me ba kun so me say my busy. Me busy. Na wo ka.
I do correct.
Anti no. I think there was ye nyina dey na si form.
Ye kan no na.
Yo kan no man no.
Da bi o ba de ba me say there obi a o temi bi anim say e ba set say na meka me nya na manyosem because eye den ya ye betum. MPP abanyo NDC abanyo ye betum. There also will be a who say a name media ba a chinabu so dear Nankwaso. Baubahu no, it is electricity and you don't do me. Or ministry or a PRO. Also, localized fault. You can't localize fault, no, Kwame. And the atama you do say, localized fault. It doesn't matter, lights the off. Bottom line. It's the most important thing going forward. Is say, I will say, my education, no, na education, you cost every 4 years because PRC for mandate is very simple.
That's how you are that.
Yes, sir, and only a quarterly. You see, there's a quarterly review.
Okay.
And only take into consideration the 3 factors: inflation, exchange rate, and then the cost of fuel.
Okay.
And we are quarterly, every quarter. But this major review no is to take proposals from all the utility providers, value chain no. Now share almost so a juma almost no taken into consideration. And no it goes towards the distribution service. Almost juma no no sika almost here. People are proposing say yenyi lifeline Ukraine free home. Ibisu propose say the bands na ye wono on in the last 8 years no na band ne do so bebre the more electricity abe consume na ye punish you for using more electricity that thing no e conform kakra right now your 3 band pe. The proposal is to now even do it 1, so there is no difference between a residential customer and an industrial customer obia tua the same kilowatt hour so that is equal na ye cross subsidy because you say no osha in the last 8 years, no, you try to be reverse, no. So the be industry be less to promote the growth of industry.
Production, yeah.
Na residential because Western in the European world now, residential pay more than industry. It was only in Ghana where the industry pays more because there's cross subsidy. The proposal now on the table for PURC and the government is to look at abolishing the bans and just have 1 price per kilowatt hour for everybody.
And so I know issue.
Well, I know she depending where you sit. Me the proposal be about obi anhwe nanka me say during the day. Residential should be more. You see, we should have residential meters and industrial meters. Nipa P no and ye ti high obi akwa adwuma. Obi aso sense air condition ofia. Na ne hoto no. I don't think people will agree, but let's be fair. Obi akwa adwuma. Wa utifia wa so set air conditions ofia no. You are using above a certain amount. That is on hoto. 80 no, you should pay more during the day if residential is using high amount of electricity. Now enyumre na obi akoy bobra na yenya ya brena ya befie no. It's cheaper for everybody. That will help. What I say, me say proposal na to dwemo a wo kan obi na because it will help to have
only more to us, you know.
But you
obi no.
because you only be a kwajuma. Yeah. You only be a kwajuma. Say and also be boa manipa pino e use industrial meters we will have a residential meter and all the ejuma. Into oye tailor ana e mu fie into use residential rate no. Say kobase residential no is cheaper in the night but more expensive in the day, but industrial meters are cheaper. Nipa pino be ko akoje industrial meters no. Me pa cho say and during the day there me propose am there to job o kan previous for ni aban mu ntie ni say e was say the proposal to job during the day residential customers should pay more if you are home using a certain amount of electricity.
Interesting. Talking about TUC, chairman of TUC Ascenda Minkra say Enra yesterday marked 80 years of the Trades Union Congress. I extend heartfelt greetings to all Ghanaian workers, our founding fathers, and everybody who's contributed to the TUC journey. I take this opportunity to also wish the current Secretary General, Deputy Secretary General, Executive Committee, and all our national executives every success as they continue to lead. Happy 80th anniversary to the TUC.
Conservation of electricity and also but secondly, it will also help to give them a beboa say nipa befie no.
Chairman Jonah, good morning. The ECG issue is more revenue mobilization than asking for a tariff increase. We all know that in Ghana there are hundreds of thousands of homes using electricity without paying. Sometimes efforts to pay the ECG guys leads you nowhere. I'll suggest ECG get an efficient revenue mobilization system to help them get enough money to run their systems. These monies going waste can help us save from any possible increase. Kwame Poku CID number 46 Florida Street, Bantama, Kumasi. Prof, Empacho Wadrinche.
Kwame.
Yaja.
Sanka I nya ofre adwuma no mu akasa
say bia woni panyin tie bia na
Kwame nema o kan nyina unse entiase o akase amanofo no bepene so na se wo opposition se wo aba mu wate ase se na de ne tie ya nyamanofo na aboa no okura wa ne sunko uja no so anisunko opposition ase na osika no o kan se aban na o so ni tri modern
Enrique Jeka
enkofo esu se ahiafo wom omunya kanien aban o kan san so na yen so na twe etrim se ase aban no boy abro edu ani ato aba aman se ono na betumi aboa ye okoduru ha na ohun se ade se na esitie se me opposition de mekan na ni se nka mekan